Yeah, people, what's up? Alright, this is what's up. Have some ordinary car door interior pieces here for the Toyota Corolla 111 or 110. Yeah, and I'm going to make them in carbon fiber. It's not an attempt, it's a must. Come on, got you. They finish already. I mean, I started the year, so but watch it here. It's a must. Really carbon fiber. No dip, no wrap. Really carbon fiber. What? What do you say? Beauty in its best form. Lights on, lights off, lights on, lights off, lights on, lights off, lights on, lights off. Bring that sunlight, make you people see. She say, yo, I'm here first to it. Spectacular. Absolutely spectacular. Yeah, I might have gone on extra, but I still love this, man. Love this. Okay. Absolutely spectacular. Very effective sunlight. Beauty in its best form. Yeah, people, so it's time to reinstall them back in the car. In you go. Perfect. Okay, next make it this out. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Hot. Scroll up on it. Oh, nice one. Nice one. Pretty. Nice.
Wow, let me say you can't answer up with the hand now.
I know.
Yes, to your wife.
And life lasting. Life lasting.
Serious?
Nice.
They hold bonnet, you can they hold bonnet.
Yeah, man. Can do this. I want to see this whole job to you. Yeah, people, so I have a secret carbon fiber part that I have made, and I will soon release it. But you know, if you want to see it, you know, when I drop the video, just like, share and subscribe.